exactly.
Okay, so then I'll remove the needle out. I'll go on the other side. So we are creating petals, right? Flower essay, C, alternate. We are creating petals of the flower.
So you don't want the spokes.
So I want the stitch to go like this around the French knot and then that way. So I will go here where I want the petal to end. I'll come out very near to where I started. It's like a French knot almost. I'll hold it with this finger and I'll go around 2, 3, 4,
अभी उल्टा
5.
circle you are going ना?
No, same way.
Same.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with this finger, I am going little anti like that. While I'm going like this, I'm doing it also like this, because if this becomes too tight on my needle, the thread, the needle won't come out. So I'm making sure that this is, while it's going firm, this is also keeping it a little comfortable. Yeah. Then I will hold all of this and I will push my needle out. I'm holding it and I'm removing it. Okay, and then also I can adjust. Yeah, I've adjusted the loops.
Looks very
And then
difficult thing.
with
So
my
pretty.
no, it's very easy.
Difficult
Just
and pretty
adjust.
can go together. And whether
And then you come
to do it.
down. And that's your one
This is
bullion
where
is
you closed. This is where you
finish
finish
it.
finish.
Yeah.
Finish
Just
one.
one
That's
petal.
one. Now I will just go around it so that
it
it
down.
just it just stays down.
It's like doing a taka.
Correct.
To
yeah,
seal
yeah,
it
yeah,
in.
yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Or you can choose not to. That's absolutely your wish. Then I'm coming here because I want a petal to come a little bit around, overlapping it. Now this is a longer travel than this was. So here I took 10 loops. Now I might take
12.
15. Again, the opposite side you have to be. It comes from below the needle. You'll hold it with your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe this finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm just seeing, is it enough for it to go around it? Okay. Now I've got it tight.
It's longer.
It's okay, doesn't matter. And then
Longer doesn't matter.
it all depends on what you are doing. It looks longer, see? It's
Yeah.
not now. So you will have the andaz of how many loops you will be
Technically, you can
needing.
make it smaller also, no? If it's longer for you in that space.
So you can, but I wanted to come overlap
this.
this one. So then the flower
but it did not overlap, na? It's
no,
longer
just,
than
yeah, just
longer
the
than the
C is, you know how a rose is